This story is interesting not only because of the technology that goes into it, but just by coincidence, it happens to bear the same name as the company from the previous story. Heatworks has at long last opened pre-orders for the Tetra. This one is a countertop dishwasher the company unveiled to some fanfare back at CES 2018. Since the Tetra doesn't require any plumbing to speak of, the only thing you need to connect it to is an electrical outlet. The appliance has a 3-liter tank you fill with water manually, and once the cycle is complete, you disconnect the gray water tank and pour out the used water. The dishwasher can wash and dry 3 plate settings worth of dishes per load. On the surface, it might seem wasteful compared with cleaning those plates, cups, and utensils manually, not to mention the counter space the machine will hog. However, Heatworks claims that the machine requires less water than hand washing and rinsing the dishes. There are several settings, including a fruit one for washing produce. In addition, the dishwasher uses recyclable cartridges with concentrated detergent in an attempt to reduce waste. Now, the Tetra also requires less power than a standard dishwasher, according to the company. To heat up the water, this is the awesome part of the tech. Heatworks uses ohmic array technology. The Tetra takes a microwave-style approach to heating water rather than harnessing traditional metal elements. It uses graphite electrodes and advanced electronic controls to excite natural minerals in the water to allow the Tetra to efficiently heat water and maintain precise temperature control, according to Heatworks. Basically what it means is instead of using an element to heat the water like a metal coil, the element you're using is actually the water. While there are other countertop dishwashers that don't need a plumbing connection, the Tetra has a smaller water tank than many of its rivals. The Tetra will typically cost $499, but Heatworks is offering a $100 discount to those who lock in a pre-order right now. The detergent cartridges will cost around $6 each, and they should be good for 20 loads depending on the setting and load capacity. Heatworks expects to start shipping the Tetra by May 18th, 2022, which is no Dirty Dishes Day. Again, just coincidentally. I've been looking forward to a product from this company that I have not seen mentioned since CES 2018, but it is a fascinating product. It's just a water pitcher. It's a simple water pitcher called the Duo that can give you warm water or cold water just by pouring it through the lid, it looks like. So they're using the same type of technology, but you can precisely set the temperature and pour your water out of a pitcher filled with cold water, and it will come out at exactly the right temperature for your tea or coffee or whatever you like. That is the product I'm looking forward to. It's going to be in the sub $200 range, and we're hoping that they're going to release that soon as well. They also have a home hot water heater that can heat the hot water for your entire home, works off of the same technology. It's much more efficient than your water tanks, and it's a pretty good price too. I suggest you check it all out on Heatworks' website.